analysing Gracie's hair, looking at the texture, the density, and chatting through how her hair normally behaves, we can see that the hair is slightly finer. There's lots of hair, but the hair itself is finer, and we want to encourage a little bit more body, a little bit more lift at the root, because naturally it can often be a little flat. So we are going to use the SEALIGHT range of products. SEALIGHT is designed for finer hair, conditioning the hair and scalp, but creating a frizz-free and instant volume. It's going to restore moisture and softness to the hair at the same time. We're now going to apply the SEALIGHT Volume Moisture Shampoo. The SEALIGHT shampoo is the perfect shampoo for fine hair, creating a frizz-free body and instant volume, restoring the moisture and softness at the same time. As with all of the Lauga products containing the Lauga Nord 5 complex, making sure we deliver all of the conditioning elements into the hair using the Lauga technology